Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pop-up button in HTML. First, we'll lay the groundwork by setting up the basic HTML structure. You'll need a button element to act as your trigger and a separate div to hold all your pop-up content. It's a good practice to wrap this content in another div, giving it a unique identifier. This foundational setup is crucial for both styling and functionality later on. Next, let's make our pop-up visually appealing using CSS. Initially, we'll hide the pop-up using display, none, so it's not visible until triggered. We'll then position it using position, fixed, or absolute to ensure it overlays other content. Don't forget to add a semi-transparent background overlay for a professional look. Finally, style the actual pop-up content box with some padding and a distinct background color. Now for the magic. JavaScript brings our pop-up to life. We'll select both the button and the pop-up elements using their unique ID. Then, we attach an event listener to the button, listening for a click. When clicked, the JavaScript will toggle the pop-up's display property, making it visible or hidden. Remember to include a close button inside your pop-up and add an event listener to it as well, allowing users to easily dismiss the pop-up. Finally, let's discuss some best practices to refine your pop-up. Always prioritize accessibility by including area attributes, ensuring it's usable for everyone. Consider adding subtle CSS animations for a smoother, more engaging appearance when the pop-up opens and closes. Make sure your pop-up is fully responsive, adapting well to different screen sizes. And, as always, thoroughly test your pop-up across various browsers and devices to guarantee a consistent experience for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.